In this short tutorial, we'll be setting up the ZLA ground scope for controlling ground in ZLA airspace. The first step is to go to the ATC download section of the ZLA website and download the ZLA sector file. Once downloaded, we want to right-click on it and click Extract. And click OK. Once extracted, this will be extracted to a folder by the name of ZLA and then whatever sector cycle it is. Inside of this folder, we see a list of files. Next thing we want to do is navigate to our program files, VRC folder, and drag the contents of the sector file into the VRC folder. Once completed, we can close this window and start VRC. The next thing to do is open the default session profile and open our sector file. We can zoom in on Los Angeles at this point and move to our settings window. Make sure to select our alias file. Again, it will be located under Local Disk C, Program Files, VRC. And select our POF file, located in the same directory. We want to tick the Assign Squad Codes in Random Order box and click Apply. Here we like to go ahead and set the hotkey. I prefer left control, but you can set your hotkey to whatever you like. In airspace, we want to set our target visibility to 20 miles, the max for any ground on VATSIM. Set our arrival field to Los Angeles and our departure field to Los Angeles. In the data tags option, we can leave everything as it is. In the flight strips window, I like to check everything here available because it makes a little sound whenever you have a new departure, and I think it helps in notifying you. The conflict alerts we don't have to worry about, we're only controlling ground. And in the button bar, we can turn the filters option off, the ruler data off, and leave actually we can leave everything else as it is. The next thing to do is go ahead and set up your information for VATSIM. By clicking File Connect, we get the window which asks for a call sign. This will be ZLA underscore your initials underscore observer. Fill out your real name. Facility, make sure to leave it as observer. Rating will be whatever rating you are. I'm an I1. Your certificate ID for VATSIM and your VATSIM password. Select the server closest to you and click Connect. Once connected, aircraft should pop up as well as other controllers controlling currently on VATSIM and ZLA. What we want to do next is open our Tools aircraft list, which offers a departure and arrival list of all aircraft flying into Los Angeles. We want to go to Settings, Radar Mode, and select Ground. The next thing to do is go to View, Static Text. The static text offers a diagram of every single taxiway at the Los Angeles International Airport. Next thing to do is make sure our visibility center is set to Los Angeles by typing .viz KLAX. And we can view the 20-mile radius. That is the maximum for ground. Once this has been completed, the scope is pretty much set to control ground. To open a flight plan, you can right-click on the aircraft, or through the arrival and departures window, double-click. The final and last thing to do is open the weather panel, or just have your weather set to the top. To do this, press F2 on your keyboard and type in KLAX. This gives the current wind and altimeter for the Los Angeles International Airport. Another way to view the weather would be to go to Tools and Weather Panel and have this panel open. By clicking on the weather station, we have the full weather report, or by clicking up here, we have the full weather report displayed. The choice is really up to the controller. On ground, I do recommend using the weather at the top of the VRC display, as it is much easier to view and access. The real last thing to do is go to ATIS Maker and erase the ATIS. Leave only radio name here, because we do not I'm sorry. We want to type in the KOKLAX, then click refresh. This way, inside your template, when someone views you on VRC, it would only have your position name. It won't have a replica of the weather at Los Angeles. So that makes it correct. Once we've done this, we're ready to control ground, and your scope is perfectly set.